What's going on? Hi, it's John Helfer here. John Helfer 69, and boom. Guess what? On Friday, it is proved. His mom and my mom and his girlfriend or whatever, and my girlfriend or whatever. Friday and Saturday, we're going to the movies, to Frank's Theaters, like we did for 22 Jump Street. But this time, on Friday with our girlfriends, we're going to see T4. If y'all don't know what that is, it's Transformers 4. And then on Saturday, it's amazing. We're going to see the new Rise of the Planet of the Apes. It's gonna be good. It's supposed to be good. They gave it the Rotten Tomatoes, the Hot Tamales or whatever that things are. Gave it an 82. It was an 82 or an 89%. It was supposed to be real good. And Transformers 4 got like a 60 something, like 63%. So pretty much good movies. I've watched the whole entire Transformers series. So has my friend. I'm bringing Aiden. Damn. And yeah. I'm about to record NBA. Actually, I'm not gonna record. I'm just gonna play for fun. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. So oh, 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 oh. Bye. Go subscribe to Soldier Boy 95's channel.